Hijo be.
That is to look at it once. So we are expecting to get 6,000.
Ninataka niwaambia kwamba Wakenya wajue bado tuko na shida. Tulikopa pesa nyingi sana from 2014. We have borrowed a lot of money, which is now choking the government of Kenya. We are not out of the woods yet. I promised and pledged and told Kenyans that I will be more transparent and more accountable, because the money that we use, the money that we spend, the money that we plan with at the Treasury does not belong to those people sitting at the Treasury. The money belongs to the people of Kenya because you are the taxpayers. Now today we are trying to get out of this debt trap. That is why sometimes you may find challenges. But I've also committed myself and to the people of Kenya, and the President of the Republic of Kenya is in agreement that we must not overtax Kenyans anymore. And therefore don't listen to any story that there will be any higher taxes. The only avenue we have is to broaden the tax base so that those who have not been paying taxes and are supposed to pay taxes walipe ushuru without overburdening those who are already paying taxes. And then we also improve our system to make them more efficient, especially the Kenya Revenue Authority, to make it more efficient to collect our taxes and minimize and eliminate corruption in the system so that we can use the taxpayers' money more prudently. Today, or yesterday and today, there has been a lot of stories in the media that our education system is facing challenges because capitation has not been released. The reason why we have not released capitation is because this month we had to pay 70 billion loan to external borrowers, which now we have completed paying this week. Next week we are releasing 48 billion shillings for capitation. So schools, please don't panic. Teachers, don't panic. School managers, don't panic. Next week, Treasury will release 48.8 billion, which is 50% of this year's budget, to fund our education system. We believe that education system is critical and important, a social function. And then after that, I will release money to the counties. That will be the next priority item. We will release 31 billion to counties so that our counties are also continue to function effectively. After that is when I will start paying salaries, which will also take 75 billion shillings. If you add those amounts, you are already at 225 billion. And every month we only collect on average 230. So you can see how we have challenges. That is the transparency John Mbadi promised to them.
Na leo tumekuja hapa ili waziri azuru mradi wetu wa maji wa Savona. Tunashirikiana na serikali kuu kwa kufanikisha maendeleo kwa upande wa maji na pia kwa shughuli ya kuhakikisha kwamba mazingira yetu iko sawa sawa. Katika ushirikiano huo, county government yetu imetoa shilingi milioni 109 na serikali kuu imetoa shilingi milioni 292 kufanikisha mradi wa Floka ambayo itasaidia watu wetu kwa shughuli ya maji na pia kulinda mazingira yetu na tabia nchi.